Welcome to Disturbing Creations. And we're here today to teach you about a new skill. I'm going to be doing basic mechanic skills, intermediate mechanic skills, and even expert mechanic skills. Depending on your level, I've got a playlist for each. So on most vehicles nowadays, they have stickers to help. They're like self-help stickers. So open the driver's door, and right inside here, if your stickers haven't been removed, it'll show you, you see the picture of the tire here, and it'll tell you what size is recommended for the front and the rear. This is the same tire, and you come over here and it tells you 32 psi. That's pounds per square inch. You don't really have to know that, but in case anyone ever asked you. This is a different rating, 222 kPa. I'm not very familiar with kPa in this country, so we use psi in America. So we're gonna go and put air in the tire and make it come up to 32 psi so the light will come out. And I'll show you how to do that.